Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Mohammed Mamaris. Today, we're delving into the captivating story of a scientific luminary, someone whose contributions laid the foundation for our understanding of the atomic world. I'm talking about none other than Sir Ernest Rutherford. Now, if you're a science enthusiast like me, you're in for a treat. Rutherford's life and work are not only fascinating but pivotal in the history of physics. Ernest Rutherford was born on August 30, 1871, in rural New Zealand. Growing up in a family of modest means, young Ernest showed an early aptitude for academics, particularly in mathematics and science. He attended Canterbury College, where he excelled in his studies. His insatiable curiosity and exceptional intellect soon caught the attention of his professors. After completing his undergraduate studies, Rutherford was awarded a scholarship to pursue higher education at the University of Cambridge in England. Little did he know, this move would set the stage for his groundbreaking contributions to physics. Rutherford quickly made a name for himself with his work on radioactivity. Inspired by the discoveries of Marie and Pierre Curie, he began investigating the properties of radioactive elements. In 1899, Rutherford coined the terms alpha and beta to describe the two types of radiation emitted by radioactive substances. This was a pivotal moment, laying the groundwork for future studies in nuclear physics. His groundbreaking research caught the attention of the scientific community, and soon enough, Rutherford found himself at the forefront of nuclear physics. One of Rutherford's most famous contributions was his atomic model, proposed in 1911. At the time, the prevailing model was J.J. Thomson's plum pudding model, where electrons were scattered throughout a positively charged sphere. But Rutherford, through a series of ingenious experiments, including the famous gold foil experiment, demonstrated that atoms had a small, dense nucleus at their center, surrounded by orbiting electrons. This model revolutionized our understanding of atomic structure and paved the way for the development of quantum mechanics. Rutherford's groundbreaking work did not go unnoticed. In 1908, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his investigations into the disintegration of elements and the chemistry of radioactive substances. This recognition marked a turning point in Rutherford's career. He became a sought-after figure in the scientific community, attracting talented students and collaborators from around the world. His leadership and guidance played a crucial role in the development of a new generation of physicists, many of whom would go on to make significant contributions themselves. As World War I unfolded, Rutherford found himself drawn into scientific contributions for the war effort. He also made a significant move during this time, accepting a position at McGill University in Canada. In Canada, Rutherford continued his research and played a vital role in the development of sonar technology, a crucial advancement during the war. His work during this period further solidified his reputation as a leading scientist on the global stage. As the years went by, Rutherford continued to make significant contributions to science. He was knighted in 1914 and later elevated to the peerage as Baron Rutherford of Nelson. Tragically, Rutherford passed away on October 19, 1937. However, his legacy lives on in the countless scientists he inspired and the transformative impact of his work on our understanding of the physical world. Today, when we explore the depths of atomic and nuclear physics, we owe a debt of gratitude to this brilliant mind, often hailed as the father of nuclear physics, and there you have it, the incredible story of Ernest Rutherford. From his humble beginnings in New Zealand to becoming a Nobel laureate and a pioneer in nuclear physics, Rutherford's journey is a testament to the power of human curiosity and scientific exploration. If you enjoyed this deep dive into scientific history, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fascinating stories, and let me know in the comments which scientist or topic you'd like me to cover next. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the wonders of our world. This is Mohammed Mamaris signing off. See you in the next video.
The Nobel Prize Awards explained simply. Meet Swedish inventor Alfred Nobel. He's known for inventing dynamite, a breakthrough in chemistry. However, having mostly invented explosives, he worried about how people would remember him. So when he died, he left most of his wealth in a trust to fund what would later be known as the Nobel Prizes. These prizes are a set of annual international awards given for landmark achievements or discoveries made during the preceding year. They are widely regarded as the most prestigious honors in the fields of literature, medicine, physics, chemistry, peace, and economics. A separate committee awards each prize, but the processes are similar. About 3,000 people, usually academics, have the right to nominate candidates. From these, the Nobel committees choose around 300 potential recipients and prepare a report reflecting the advice of experts. The prize-awarding institutions then select the laureates by a majority vote. Each winner receives a gold medal, a diploma, and a sum of money. There is a maximum of 3 laureates per award, except for the Peace Prize, which can be awarded to institutions. You surely know some of the most famous laureates. Ernest Hemingway won for writing The Old Man and the Sea. What would humanity look like without Alexander Fleming, who discovered penicillin? Albert Einstein won for discovering the law of the photoelectric effect. Martin Luther King Jr. showed the Western world that struggle can be won without violence. The only person to win 2 Nobel Prizes in different fields is Marie Curie, one for her work on radiation and another discovering radium and polonium. And the Red Cross won a record 3 Nobel Prizes, mostly for their work protecting the rights of prisoners of war. These are the Nobel Prizes. Make a positive impact and get yours.
The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences has decided to award the 2009 Nobel Prize in Chemistry jointly to Professor Venkatramana Ramakrishnan, Professor Thomas Stites, and Professor Ava Jona. And the Academy's citation runs as follows: for their studies on the structure and function of the ribosome. And Professor Ramakrishnan is working at the MRC laboratories in Cambridge in the United Kingdom. Professor Stites at Yale University in New Haven, Connecticut, USA, and Professor Jona at the Weizmann Institute of Science in Rehovot, Israel.